Anvil? No Anvil.
Oh, you're on your own. Can't save ya. But we are here in Mississauga at the Glen Erin Inn. I stayed here last night in that room right here. The property was bought in 1927, built in 1928. We are here with a historian, Matthew. We talked to you a little bit earlier, Matthew Wilkinson. Let's talk about the outside of the building.
Well, the building is very classically built with Credit Valley stone, which you find throughout Mississauga. A lot of our historic buildings use stone as their architectural meat, if you will. It was designed by an award-winning firm in Toronto and built by a local builder. Harry Plum was his name, and he built a number of historic houses that survive here. And it's a style that is a grand summer home, is what it always was intended to be for a wealthy Torontonian family. They were dotted along the Credit River Valley in Mississauga, and a number of other sites from that era still survive in Mississauga. They're absolutely treasures. It really is a country retreat in the city. That has evolved around it. The original wing was built in...
What's the original wing?
It's the wing right behind us.
This is the original
1928 wing, and then the Grand Cottage was grander with the addition of a ballroom, a music room, a dining room, and a tower. And the tower is behind us. This was added in 1931, and this originally the ground floor was a music room, and the upper floor a library. And the addition, which later became a chapel for the Basilian Fathers, was their grand dining room. There was a smoking room. If you think of the Great Gatsby era of entertainment and lavish parties, there was a men's smoking room. There was an open balcony overlooking the ravine on the back. This really was a grand home built for entertaining.
And it still entertains. Jason, come on in. Jason Mercier. Jason, you are the manager, and you are revamping this place.
Yes, we are. We're currently in a state of renewal. We're renewing all of our guest rooms, so keeping the integrity of obviously a historical look. We've also have a newly decorated spa, which is great for a retreat and great for all of our weddings. And we're also renovating our carriage house, which will give us 9 more guest rooms.
Wonderful. Well, what a great project. Built in 1928, and it just keeps evolving. We're inside with the chef when we come back at the Glen Erin Inn in Mississauga. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Dan.
Now, Mary just dropped by quickly.